大家好，我是 John. Before we start today's lesson, I'd like to show you something. This is a supermarket near my home. So yesterday I went to this supermarket and took some pictures. Here they are. There's a very special character in some pictures, if you've noticed. So, can you see that character? Special character? Okay. If you didn't notice, I will show you. So here, I mark this character in red color. So you see it looks like kind of three stuff put in there, and two at the bottom, one on the top. So what does that mean? You can find this character everywhere in the supermarket. You see here, also you find this character. It is 品, which means product. That's why you can find it everywhere. So in the supermarket, they tell you this is this product, that product, and other products. Okay, so look at this character again. Very easy and lovely character. Do you agree?
大家好，我们现在看课文。Now we look at the text. Okay, 一封信，一封信。You know, 封 is a measure word, as we mentioned in our vocabulary class. 信 is a letter. So because of this 封, you know that 信 is letter. Two short, one syllable word 信. But you know 封, so 一封信, you know, one letter. So that letter is about the teacher asks student to write a letter to a friend, of course in Chinese, to practice. So the students wrote this letter. 小英, you know, it's address little 英, 小英. 你好, 好久不见. That's a good phrase in Chinese. 好久不见. 好 means good. So, but here it's not really means good, it means very. Sometimes we use good to show very. 好 is very. So, 久, this one syllable word means a long time. Very long time. You know, 不 or 不 means no. 见 is to see, to meet. So, literally means long time no see. In English, this phrase comes from Chinese. 好久不见. That's really a good way to start your letter. 好久不见, long time no see. 最近, we learned this 最近 recently. 怎么样? Yeah, that's also very common to ask your friend. So how are you? How have you been doing like this recently? 最近怎么样? 怎么样 is how. Like, how do you feel? How? 这个星期, not 星期, sorry. 这个学期. 学 study 期 a period of time, so 学期 is term. This term 我很忙, I'm very busy. 除了专业课, you know, 专业 is your major. 专业课 is your major course. Do you still remember 除了以外? And also here 还 this structure means besides, in addition to. So in addition to my major course, 还, so I still 得 means have to. So I still have to learn 中文 Chinese. So the structure 除了 something 以外, 还 in addition to this thing, I still something. Okay, good. Then 我们的中文课 our Chinese class 很有意思. We use this also very often. 很有意思, very interesting. Then 因为 because. Okay. 我们的中文老师只会说中文. 只 means only. 会 is, as we mentioned, that means can. 说中文 speak Chinese. So our Chinese teacher only can speak Chinese. So as we mentioned, the different 会 and 能,能 also means can. Here, 只会说中文. So our Chinese teacher only can speak English. Just his ability. He cannot speak English because he don't know. He only know Chinese. If here you put 能 is kind of allowed to do that, this feeling. If here they say 只能说中文, it's kind of the teacher, even he knows English, but the school doesn't allow him to speak English because that's a Chinese class, like this. That's the difference. Okay. 不说英文, so doesn't speak English. 开始 that's also good. 开始 means start or to start, that word. But you use at the beginning of the sentence means at the beginning. At the beginning. 开始我觉得很难，觉得 is I feel. At the beginning I feel very hard. 后来 you say this connection word. It's very important. If you use this word, make your article, looks very well, like Chinese people. Okay, so at the beginning, I feel very hard. Later, then I feel something different, right? So 开始我觉得很难，后来 it's later. 王鹏常常帮我，常常 which means often help me. 练习中文 practice 练习 practice Chinese. 就觉得不难了. So this 就 also this kind of conjunction word, right? 就 means then. Because Wang Peng often helped me to learn Chinese, so then I feel not hard. This 了 to show the situation status changed. Before I felt really hard, now I feel not really hard. So we put a 了 to show this kind of change. 好，你喜欢听音乐吗？ So do you like listening to music? 下个星期六 下个 next, right? 下个 next 星期六 Saturday. 我们学校 our school 有一个音乐会 Our school has a concert 音乐会音乐 is music 会 is meeting concert 希望 that's new word I hope 你能来 so 能 is a can 你能来 you can come 我用中文写信写 write 信 letter new word so I use Chinese to write letter 写的很不好 not very not good very not good 很不好 it's kind of modest actually this letter is really good of course not written by students actually okay 请别笑我 笑 is laugh or laugh at so 别 means don't please don't laugh at me this 祝 is to wish so of course that's at the end you say wish you all the best which I like the most I like to say wish you all the best so in Chinese you will say 祝 something 好 is good so 祝好 is kind of in English all the best then 你的朋友 your friend Leo here then you write the date 11月 here 11月 okay so November 18日 18日 November 18th okay 这就是这封信 this is just the letter I hope you understand all of them if you don't understand just let me know I will try to help you leave your comments in the comment section okay 下次见，再见。